Well, work's coming along, as you've seen, amazingly in the 401s. We're really on course to have everything done well within the time frame that we expected from ourselves. So it's time to get outside now, and there's so much land and there's so many trees here that we need to stay on top of and we need to manage. Now, we've not really done any major tree management since we got here, and it's, to be honest with you, it's crucial. Right now it's the right time of year. Leaves are falling off the trees, all the nutrients have been tucked back into the roots, and we have this big beautiful tree here, as you can see, and we love it, but it's starting to do some damage to the cottage. So what we want to do is we want to get it trimmed down just so it's not touching the cottage, so it's not banging off the roof, because we've got branches right now that are banging off the roof, and it's going to start damaging the tiles, and at some point it's going to start damaging the roof. Now, we've been really fortunate since we came to France. We've made some amazing friends, and we've got James here, as you've seen, who's been brave up in the tree, because it's way too high for me to be doing stuff like that, and he knows what he's doing. He's a tree surgeon, so we've got somebody that knows what they're doing, and he's going to take all that down on that side just so it's not going to damage the cottage, because we love the tree and it's a beautiful tree, so we don't want to do it any harm really. So that's going to be going on. We've got Shane coming in the next couple of days, and the next stage for the wall garden is going to be going on as well, which means we're going to be planting around about 1,000 plants in the wall garden to get that finished off and get everything in place as we want it. We've got trees going in, roses and all sorts of beautiful plants which are really going to finish it. And it's, again, it's the perfect time of year. It's not too cold, but we need to get it done now before winter sets in. So with Shane come, we've got plenty of work to do in the wall garden. We've got another tree that needs sorting out that's overhanging. We've got dead limbs on it that we want to get done, and I need to get the weeding done. I haven't managed to get out for a few weeks with us being working inside, so I want to get the weeding done, everything nice and tidy for when Shane comes. So let's go and crack on. Well, the weather hasn't been great the last few weeks. That's why we've been working inside so much, so we haven't had time to really stay on top of the garden. So last few days it's brightened up, it's stopped raining, and it means we've been able to get out here, tidy it up and just get on top of the little jobs that need doing, that we need to be doing weekly really here now. So weeding and cutting the grass, but there's also the problem of this magnificent chestnut tree here now. I don't know whether you can see, but one of the main limbs on this side of it, on this side of the garden, is actually dying, and part of it's actually died already, and it's a danger of just falling down, and it's something that we need to get sorted. So again, perfect time of year to do it. We're going to take this limb off that's overhanging this garden, and what it means is it'll be safe, and we're not going to have the mess, because believe it or not, we must get 10,000 sweet chestnuts off this tree. This is one tree and we've probably got about 20 sweet chestnut trees. So we're not doing ourselves short by taking that limb off. We want the tree, we love the tree, but it's just a case of it's dangerous right now and we need to do something about it before it gets too bad. So let's crack on with that now. So what a mammoth task this has turned out to be. What we thought was going to be quite a simple job, just taking a few branches off this chestnut, has turned into a massive job. So this is only half of what we're going to be taking off this tree, and it's purely just because it's going to be causing so much damage in the long run to what we're creating in the walled garden. So on the terrace, luckily we haven't got anything planted up there just yet, but with Shane arriving tomorrow, that's going to be the plan, that we're going to be getting a lot more of the plants in that section. So it was important that we got this done before any more plants go into the walled garden, because the size of some of these branches, it just caused so much damage to them, and it'd just be a shame really. So yeah, we've got an absolute mountain of wood to sort through now, but luckily we can use probably about 90% of this for our wood fires, so we can chop it all up, get it in the log store and get it seasoned for a couple of years, and then hopefully we'll be able to use it all on the fires within the chateau. So it's a bit of a win-win. We get to tidy up the tree and we get all free wood from it. So we need to crack on now, get some of this tidied, get the walled garden tidied before Shane gets here, because I think he'd have a bit of shock if he's seen it in the state it is at the moment.
We'll get all that off, get the rest of these branches down, and then hopefully we'll have a tidy garden and a safe tree. So we'll crack on now, getting this done, and yeah, fingers crossed it'll all be done by the end of today.
Well, what a day, Tracy Fair.
Absolutely.
Cream crackered. We are all wiped out. It has been an unbelievable mammoth effort, hasn't it, really,
Yeah.
to get the 3 big trees done that we've needed done for so long.
Yeah.
And you can see this one behind us. And she might not look amazing right now, but there's good reason we've had to do what we've had to do. A lot of it was dead, a lot of it was just hanging off, and we had branches come down in high winds, and some of the branches, the size of them, they were bigger than us.
It was dangerous, wasn't it? About 2 years ago, a big one fell, didn't
Massive
it?
one. It wiped the caravans out.
The ground shook, didn't it? So they did need to come down.
It is what it is, and it's going to be better for the gardens in the long term as well, and it'll allow the tree. Yeah, it'll look miles better. Like I say, we've got the oak done round on Paula's cottage, which will be a surprise for Paula.
Yeah, because that's opened all of that up now, all the stables.
Yeah,
It's
and the
opened
view.
it all up,
She's got the view right the way across now, hasn't
wonderful.
And we've got your birch done
on
the
back,
cottage.
because that was hanging on the roof, so that was danger to the roof because it was moving all the slates and everything, so we had to take that one down. Well, back. We haven't took it down, we've just took it back, just so it's not touching the roof anymore, because that was dangerous.
But James has done an amazing job, hasn't he?
He's wonderful. He really is. He's an absolute star. How he does it, I don't know, but he is a trooper. Absolute star.
I couldn't climb up, and he swings about like a monkey in the tree, and we were talking, I can't do it. My knees go to jelly when I'm up there. It's just one of them. I can't do it at all. So it's been fun.
A great day, a long day, a very long day. We started first thing this morning, really early, and just finishing now. It's getting dark. Yeah. It's been a really long day. But really rewarding. Absolutely. Loads of good work done, and it's good for going forward, isn't it? Because next year we're not going to have to be out here every day picking up conkers. All conkers, which is a nightmare. So so it's all good. So we hope you've enjoyed our fun today. We've had great fun. We are pooped, but the next episodes are going to be really exciting. They're all going to be pretty much garden episodes because we've got loads going on over the next week. So if you've liked it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you got the bell clicked for notifications. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.